Good morning, friends. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Candy. I'm a mom to 5. On my channel, I share a lot of homeschooling, homesteading, gardening, day in the life, what's for dinner, and canning type videos. If you like any of those types of videos, please subscribe, stick around, check out some more after this one. So today for breakfast, Miss Penny is helping me out. We cut up some smoked sausage, browned that, scrambled some eggs, added those to the sausage, and we are going to have that with some applesauce this morning for breakfast. I did not film a whole lot this morning, but for lunch I'm having some leftover turkey, mashed potatoes and gravy, and salad. And again, Miss Penny is helping me out with dinner. She's just helping me brown up some Italian sausage to throw into the slow cooker because we are going to do some spaghetti and meatballs. We browned the Italian sausage, put that in the slow cooker with our sauce, added a bag of frozen meatballs, and then we boiled up our pasta, added that in there, stirred it up, and put it on low. And here is how it turned out. We also added a can of mushrooms and a can of sliced up olives. I made a cucumber salad with cucumbers, onions, tomatoes, and Italian dressing to go on the side. It's been kind of a busy day around here, and we went and checked on some friends we hadn't heard from since they went to shelter, so I haven't filmed much, but I wanted to show you guys, actually I'm going to show you the hail damage on my car, and then I'm going to show you guys what the garden looks like because it got a lot of damage. I know it could have been worse, and a lot of people lost their windshields, but yeah. It's like a month old, so it makes me want to cry a little bit. You can see where hail hit all over out here. It's crazy. Look at this. That's literally from hail hitting. Okay. So here is how everything looks. There are holes everywhere from hail hitting things. My poor tomatoes, they looked a lot worse this morning. They were slumped over, but most of them lost all of their leaves and all of their flowers. So we're gonna see if they spring back or not. Luckily, most of my stuff is not up yet, so we'll see, but it's just holes everywhere. Yeah. Hold on.
Yeah, this one's almost as big as the ball.
My radishes are okay.
Here, the big as the ball.
And that's really all that's up right now. Otherwise, there's more radishes. Otherwise, there probably would have been a lot more damage. There's more radishes up than this morning.
There's two over here that are giant.
But yeah.
Drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Yeah, we only get one life. I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey, darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around. Wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car. Leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Hey, darling, I love it when it's me and you on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey, darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time driving right. Pack our bags and get in that car. Leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand?
They are.
That we only get one life, I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air.
Thank you guys so much for coming along with us today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment so we can chat, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time with another new video.
Understand that we only get one life, I want